Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Radin and Miss Ola. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Freta Putra. You can call me Adit. And in this occasion, I would like to make video project with one of TC student. Brother, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. Okay, brother. Hello, Mr. Adin and Sola. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My complete name is Ahmad Zulfikar Ramadan, but everyone usually calls me Zul, and I'm from Albatros class. Okay, brother. So, what is our topic today?
So our topic today, I would like to talk about daily activity
About
in
the
Pare. Yeah.
in Pare,
In
especially
Pare.
in Pare.
Especially in Pare.
Okay, okay. Because your routine test usually is different here and
Yeah,
At the- in
here
your-
and at my hometown.
different, yeah.
Different.
Okay. So, brother, what do you usually do?
So
Every day.
on Monday, actually, I usually wake up on 4 a.m. Then I
Okay.
take ablution for pray subuh.
Okay.
After that, I prepare my lesson, my book, my stationery to go to BEC.
Okay.
And because I have a class with Mr. Radin at 7 o'clock
Yeah.
until a half to a half past 8. And after that, I having a breakfast with my friend. Then I have study club with my tutor MS. And at 10 o'clock I have class with Miss Ola until 11.
11.
Yeah. And then after 11 I go to my boarding house till 12. Then I pray zuhur.
Yes.
So because I don't have any extra class,
Okay.
I use my time to take a rest
Okay.
until asar.
Okay.
So when asar, I wake up to pray asar. After that, because in my boarding house have a flower, usually I like to watering the flower
Okay.
because I don't have any activity to do, right? So maybe if I get bored, always playing phone, I can watering the flower every day.
Okay.
After that, I have a dinner
Uh.
in my boarding house. I usually cook an egg with chili, I think. And then when it's Maghrib time, I pray Maghrib. Then if there is a nightly speaking,
Okay.
so I will join at 7:30 p.m.
Okay.
If there is no, maybe I'll continue to learn like what the lesson today.
Okay.
So maybe I always practice about it so I can understand more about that lesson. So actually I'll do the same activity
Yeah.
from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday, actually I have an exam. It depends on Mr. Adin class or Miss Ola's class
Yeah.
because every week is always change. Sometimes with Mr. Adin, sometimes with Miss Ola.
Okay.
After oral exam, I usually having a breakfast with my friend, and then I go back to my boarding house. Before pray Jumat, I take a rest in my boarding house till 11 o'clock, and then I prepare to pray Jumat. Then at o'clock, my friend sometimes invite me to go to their boarding house
Okay.
to maybe to learn about the lesson today, to learn what they didn't understand about, and we learn each other until Asar, I think. And after Asar, I say to my friend that I will going back to my boarding house because it's already Asar and I haven't pray Asar. Then I go back to my boarding house for pray Asar.
Mm.
Uh, because I'm still full of eating the lunch box from pray Jumat.
Okay.
That's why uh, I only play phone in the evening.
Mm.
Then in the night, maybe because it's Friday, then Saturday is holiday.
Yeah.
Um, Usually I spend my time playing games on Friday night
Mm.
till midnight, I think.
Mm.
Then uh, I sleep. And on weekend,
Mm.
maybe yeah, because it's my holiday. Saturday, actually, I don't have any activities to do, but because my friend always invite me to join the, their activities, what do they want to do? So, I have an activities to do with them. Yeah. So, every Saturday, maybe my friend always invite me to go to the swimming pool.
Okay.
Yeah, to swimming there
Mm.
because it make you more healthy
Mm.
and make you fit. Maybe the duration is about 4 or 5 hours from 8 a.m. until 2 from 8 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Mm.
After that, I go back to my boarding house.
Mm.
I take a rest because after tired of swimming in the swimming pool, then I woke up at 4 p.m. Then I don't forget to pray asar.
Okay.
After that, mm, I playing phone maybe
Mm.
till maghrib. And after maghrib, after I pray maghrib, as usual, my friend asks me if you want to playing board game in his boarding house,
Yeah.
and I agree about that invitation because I don't have any activities to do, and I get boring about it.
Mm.
And yeah, I accept that invitation, and I go to my friend boarding house for play board games till midnight. Then I go back to my boarding house to sleep. For Sunday, I go to CFD. CFD. Uh,
Okay.
do you know what CFD?
Yeah, of course. I know. Where? I mean, with whom do you usually go to SFD?
Uh,
With your friend, maybe?
yeah, with my friend.
Okay.
Because if I go alone,
Uh-huh.
like it's it's same as
It's not fun.
yeah, it's not fun,
Mhm.
and it's same as I do only with myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not interesting for CFD, but I'm interesting
Hmm.
to go with my friend, right?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So you always uh, do you usually go to CFD?
Yeah, exactly. Maybe every Sunday.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, because I always go there. Maybe for buying some food.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah.
maybe you can recommend me what the best food on CFD.
Actually, I don't know. It depends on the food. What food? do you want to buy? Yeah, because so many foods there. Yeah, so yeah.
Because I ever go to CFD and I
Mhm.
try one of the food in there,
Mhm.
like soybean cake,
Mhm.
fried soybean cake,
Mhm.
and it costs 10,000 for 4 piece.
Mm.
Do you think it's pricey or not?
What?
Do you think it's pricey or not?
The price?
Yeah,
Cheap. Or
10,000 for 4 pieces of soybean cake.
I think it's cheap.
Cheap.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
that's why. So after I go to CFD,
Mhm.
after I buy a food and drink,
Mhm.
then I still play in my friend's boarding house,
Mhm.
talk to each other, having fun. Then after zuhur, maybe I'll go to my I go to my boarding house to pray zuhur, then sleep for sleep until asar, and then when asar, I don't forget to pray asar, and yeah, after that I playing phone maybe
You
for
play phone yet?
for an hour or 2 hour,
Mhm.
and then because waiting for Maghrib. After Maghrib, yeah, I hang out with my friend.
Okay.
Yeah, until maybe till 10 p.m. because tomorrow is um I go to BEC again,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
So maybe that's all for my daily activities.
Okay. Yeah, your identity so good. Yeah.
No, it's still bad. I need to um
Yeah, but you still study. Mm,
yeah, I still study.
yeah, it's good.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you for your attention.
Yes.
Uh,
My pleasure,
thank you,
brother.
Mr. Adin and Misola. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.